Okay, Dan's 12-2 Phantom. So we got voltage going to the finals now. The wire was unhooked off the relay, so we hooked that back up, keyed it up. Oh yeah, we have voltage. Yeah, it should work now. No, it didn't. Then I found this right here. Wasn't soldered. So hooked that up. It's got to put out power now. Nope, don't. Okay. You have to have high voltage, the grids have to be grounded, and you have to have input. I took and bypassed the relay so that the low power was going right in to pin 3 of the final tube. 6J86 pin 3 is your cathode input. And it had to make power then. Nope, still didn't. Okay. That leaves something in this tank network. Everything looked fine. Well, that means you got to pull the damn tank network all apart and analyze every little aspect of it. So you have these high voltage blocking capacitors. What they do is they take the high voltage that's going to these tubes and they filter it. Okay, they're supposed to go there. Alright, so basically the way they were sitting in there is like that. But the way they were positioned, it stopped me from being able to see this. Right there. Wow, that could be a problem, huh, boys and girls? Yeah, that sucker's history. Now, I'm going to replace that. And then it has to work at that point. But knowing this amp right here, even when I fix this, which is the only thing left, I mean, I literally traced out power going in and out of everything. So that's why I pulled these, because literally it couldn't be anything else. It had to be an open doorknob capacitor. And wow, man, I see a problem there. So we're going to replace it so it cannot work still. So stay tuned for another epic failure on the Phantom 12 tube. Because we just know fixing that is not going to make it work, right? Because nothing makes this thing work. No matter how much shit you fix in it, it still don't work. Catch me later. Bye. Nevada Dan's Phantom 500. The final chapter. Okay, we're on high power. We're just tickling it with the shop radio. 2-watt swinging 15, which really underdrives this. You got 4 driver tubes, so you can drive 40 watts into this thing. Hello. 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 So it's 250 swinging. Hello. 700 on high. Low power works too. Hello, hello, hello. This is low. There you go, Nevada Dan. It's all done. Yep. So, yeah, you can drive this thing with a lot more power, up to 40 watts input. Doesn't mean you have to, but you could. Okay, Nevada Dan, wrapping up the final episode of Dan's Phantom 500. Case closed, it's working, and over and out. Oh yeah, what was wrong with it? Everything, lots of things. A little piece of this chapter 2 video together, and you can see for yourself. Catch me later. Bye.